it's fine. Beautiful. Sorry for this. Okay, let's continue. All right. Lie down, back flat, and then we are going to do this one again. So you just raise your shoulders from the ground. In the first part, it was not really necessary, but now we need to hear the timer. Don't tuck your chin in. Beautiful. Now, lie like this, lean towards the back, put the elbows down. Now we're going to do scissors. So you don't really have to take your leg all the way straight, just alternate. So this one we can call it pedaling or cycling. Beautiful. Let's go to side plank. So modified, it's like this, knees and elbows. Non-modified, it's ankles. So each time you lower your hips slowly and then you speed up. Make sure you contract. Wonderful. Now let's go on the other side. So modified, it's knees and elbow touching down, and non-modified, beautiful. Now we are going to this one, high to low plank. So if you want, you can be on your knees, or if you want, you could be on your toes. Make sure your core is tight. Switch. So by switch, I mean switch the hand you raise fast. Beautiful. Now we are going to be here into plank, but we will be lifting one hand up. The non-modified, it's elbow and toes that are touching the ground. Wonderful. Now, lie down, right figure 4. Put one hand on the side, palm facing down. Now you will be coming up, the elbow to touch the knee. Beautiful. Let's go on the other side. The same exercise, figure 4. Palm down, palm facing down, hand down. Let's go. So this is a perfect workout to burn fat and flatten the belly. Beautiful. Let's stand up. Now we're just here bending to one side and coming and staying at the center. Make sure you're really contracting the abs. Indeed, Erin, on the knees it reduces the intensity. Now let's go on the other side. You come, you start, just stay in the center. So this hand is going as low as I can. And make sure it's your core that is causing the bending of your trunk to the side. We're almost there, guys. We have already done over half of our workout. Beautiful. Now put those hands together. Now you come and then you just switch and then you go to the other side. So each time you come up, you go to the same side. So make sure you spread your legs wider than shoulder width apart. Beautiful. Let's go down. So that was a little bit of a short break, active recovery. Now you touch behind, you bring the hands, then you come like that, go down, arms there, like that, till our timer ends. Take it easy, control the movement. Beautiful. Now put the hands below your buttocks. Now you kick out like that, then you come just like this. Raise your hip from the ground. Beautiful. Now we are here, guys. You lean back a little bit and then you lift your heels from the ground. Just hold it here. Hold it. Hold it. Wonderful. Final round. So final round, we are here, then you're touching your heel. Yes, it's not heel, it's shin actually. We're almost ready. The abs are screaming, smiling. Wonderful, guys. Well done, well done. So the feeling you're feeling in the core, that's the abs smiling. And it's a check that you have given them something nice. Well done, well done. Now we are going into a 15-minute stretching routine. If you want to be among the people supporting this community to grow, all you have to do is to share one of the workouts with 1 or 2 people, and I will add you. Or you can also use hashtag Coach Remmy on social media to share your wonderful fitness results. Thank you so much, guys. It's always a pleasure to have you day in, day out. Clap for ourselves. Erin Aggie saying, I have improved reaching here. Yes, yes. Barbara James, clapping. Claude Joseph also clapping. Winnie saying bye, everyone. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to have you guys day in, day out. I have improved